Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today we are making, oh gosh, you're just going to be so excited, buffalo chicken grilled sandwiches. Start out with our buffalo dip grilled cheese sandwiches. We've got to make the buffalo dip. So we've got, you can use rotisserie chicken, you can boil your own chicken. Today I'm cheating and I'm using a little canned chicken. So we're going to take I have 2 cans of chicken here that we're going to put into a bowl. And this, once again, Milano's easy breezy recipes. So we're going to mix up, and we have this cream cheese. It's a whole container of cream cheese. We're going to pop this whole thing in. We're going to mix it up. Okay. Then we're going to take a packet of ranch, and we're going to mix this on up. We're going to take about 3/4 of a cup or so, I'm just going to eyeball it, of the buffalo wing sauce. Alrighty, we're going to mix this up, and then I'm going to put some cheese, and then we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to bake it for about 15 minutes or so on 350. Then we're going to take it out. We're going to add some more cheese to go on top. Put it back in the oven. Every last drop. Okay, so we just took this out of the oven. Look at this. We're going to pop on some cheese, and we're going to pop it back into the oven for another 10 to 15, and we're going to start making our sandwiches, doing a little preparation right now. Alrighty, so we are going to put together one of these bad boys. We're going to butter one side of the bread. Okay, and then we're going to take cheese, and we're going to put it onto the bread. I'm going to make sure my little stove is getting hot. So we're putting some cheese. We're going to take some avocado also. Okay. Space these out properly, and then I'm going to take some of this. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. It's incredible. We're going to put this butter side down, okay? Then we're going to butter the other side. Okay. All right, so now I'm just going to top it, and we're going to let it ride. I'm going to get the lid, put it on. Wow. Oh. Well, family, you guys have to try it. It is so good. I can't even tell you. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you. Maybe you'll pop in the showroom. But please comment, like, tell me what you think. Share your recipes with us. So we'll see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you then.